好，呢條片呢會同大家講2025年嘅第6條嘅咁樣。咁呢條呢就係關於一條chemical cell 嘅唔係 electrolytic cell 嘅題目啦。咁樣你叫我即刻改口，點解會即刻改口呢？因為你望下條題目呢，其實你會睇到嘅。因為呢個係啦，你見到呢條題目個 cell 呢，其實俾咗啲電喺度嘅，俾咗啲電喺度呢，其實就即係一定係 electrolytic cell 噶啦。咁樣係啦，呢度你見到有啲電芯喺度噶嘛，咁所以呢，你已經知道呢個係一個做緊 electrolysis 咁樣啦。OK， 好啦，咁跟住我哋睇下啦。咁啊 part A 啦，function of sodium sulfate 有咩用呢？咁樣咁就用嚟 conduct electricity 啦，最簡單就係 to conduct electricity， 都成日問噶啦，其實 conduct electricity。好，咁跟住 state the colour change of the solution around electrode Y after a period of time and then explain your answer。咁我哋睇翻個 step 先咁樣。咁而家呢，我哋通常呢，我自己會寫咗正負先啦。咁樣咁跟住我會 indicate 翻個 direction of electron flow 啦。咁所以你知道呢，我哋嘅喺 Y 嗰邊，Y 係依邊，佢係 accept 緊 electron 嘅。咁所以我哋睇翻依個嘅睇翻成個 step 啦。咁首先呢，嗰個嘅 electron 咧就唔會去 lose electron 噶嘛，即係唔會 accept electron 咧，都唔會 lose electron，因為佢係 inert electron 啦。咁但係你睇翻喺呢一個嘅solution 入面啦，咁我哋就會睇翻因為佢係 electrolytic cell 啦，咁所以咧 Na plus 就會走去負嗰邊啦，因為佢正啊嘛。跟住呢度 SO4 2 minus 就會喺正嗰度啦，因為佢係負啊嘛。咁另外呢，有水喺入面嘅，咁所以 H plus 會走埋嚟啦。跟住呢度就係 OH minus 走過去嘅。咁我哋就 compare Na plus 同 H plus 邊個會容易啲去accept electron 啦。咁你有幾個方法，即係幾個 factor 會影響佢嘅。咁而家呢，就係第一個 factor 嘅，咁就係睇翻個 position in the ECS 嘅。咁我哋就可以講翻呢，即係hydrogen ion will be preferentially discharged as it is lower than sodium ion in ECS 咁樣啦。可唔可以我讀佢寫呢？就係 hydrogen ion H plus 啦 will be preferentially discharged as it is lower than sodium ion in the ECS。OK， 咁當佢 preferentially discharge 嘅時候喺 electrode Y 嗰邊啊。OK， 咁所以呢，當佢 preferentially discharge 嘅時候呢 hence at near electrode Y 啦。OK， near electrode Y， 跟住呢個嘅 concentration of hydroxide ion 呢，就會 higher than concentration of hydrogen ion 啦。咁當佢嘅 concentration 高啲嘅時候呢，咁佢就即係 become alkaline 啦喺嗰邊。咁所以呢，喺個 solution near electrode Y，the solution 亦即係 around 啦 ，near electrode Y will become alkaline。咁當佢 become alkaline 嘅時候呢 universal indicator 啊嘛。咁所以呢，佢就會 the colour around electrode Y will colour change， 我記住 change from 本身可能係 green 啦，跟住就會 to blue 嘅，因為佢 alkaline 啊嘛咁樣。OK， 好，咁跟住之後呢，就part C 啦。咁喺 X 嗰度發生咩事啊？咁樣咁你見到啦，又係啦。嗱，頭先呢，就係hydrogen ion啦。咁呢度就係 hydroxide ion。你就諗啦，會唔會係 hydroxide ion 呢？咁樣，但係留意翻喎，仲有嗰個星 electrode 喎。咁佢喺個 electrode Y 嗰度呢，佢唔係一個 inert electrode 嚟嘅，佢係星嘅。咁所以你 compare 星同埋hydroxide 嘅話呢，其實星會係再容易啲去 lose electron 嘅，因為佢係 higher。佢係 higher in the ECS 啊嘛，OK，咁所以咧佢就會容易啲去 lose electron 嘅，咁所以佢呢個嘅星，哎呀寫得太核突添，星就會 lose electron 啦，咁就 become 星 2 plus。係啦 losing electron 咁樣嘅，咁佢呢個 half equation 啦，佢 what would be change 啊嘛，咁所以咧就係星 electron become 3 na 啦。係啦，咁跟住最後啦，after a period of time，a white precipitate is formed。咁呢度咧就少少冧咗第14課嘅，有少少難咯，我覺得。咁你見到無啦啦邊度嚟啲 white precipitate 啊？咁你諗下啦，其實佢個 hydroxide 係 accumulate 緊噶嘛，即係佢喺 electron Y 嗰度佢又 form，佢又用咗啲 hydrogen 啦，剩咗啲hydroxide 喺度，electron X 嗰度佢又冇用到 hydroxide，咁所以其實佢係 becoming alkaline 噶。咁跟住然後星咧又變咗星2 plus 喎，咁所以咧個 white precipitate 咧其實就係星2 plus 啦，咁就 react with hydroxide to form 星 hydroxide，which is the white precipitate 咁樣啦。OK，講完。